Boil fertilized duck egg. Cover and boil for 20 minutes. Set aside. Sear pork. Add garlic. Add dry bay leaves and peppercorn. Add soy sauce. Onion. Red chili. Add soda. Water. Brown sugar. Add fertilized duck egg. Add vinegar. Fertilized duck egg soup. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.